Most service business owners ignore email, and that is exactly why they lose easy repeat customers every single month. Here's the truth no one tells you. Your most profitable customers are not new leads, they are the ones who already paid you once. In this video, you will learn the exact email strategy that makes service businesses money every month, even without running ads. You will understand what to send, when to send it, and how to turn old customers into repeat bookings. And stick around, because in a minute I'll show you the one email mistake that quietly kills most service business revenue. Let's start with the core idea. Email is not about newsletters. It is about staying top of mind so customers come back when they need help again. Now here's where it gets interesting. Most service businesses only talk to customers when something goes wrong. That means they are constantly starting from zero every time they need new work. First step is your post-job email. This is sent right after you complete a service. For example, Jake, a plumber in Dallas, sends a simple message like, "Thanks for choosing us today. If you need anything else, we are here to help." This builds trust and keeps the relationship warm. But here's the problem. Most people stop there. That is a missed opportunity. Second step is the review email. This is sent a few hours or a day later. It should be simple. "If you were happy with the service, could you leave a quick Google review?" This improves your ranking and brings more future leads. Now here's where most people fail. They think the customer journey ends after payment. But in reality, the real money comes after the first job. In a minute, I'll show you how a simple follow-up email can bring customers back every few months without any selling pressure. Third step is the follow-up email system. This is where the real income happens. You send helpful reminders based on timing. For example, if you are an AC repair business, you can send a seasonal reminder like, "It might be time to service your AC before summer starts." John, a handyman in Miami, increased repeat bookings just by sending simple reminders every few months instead of waiting for customers to call him again. Now here's where it gets even more powerful. These emails do not need to be complicated. They just need to be timely, relevant, and helpful. You can also add simple offers like maintenance checks or seasonal discounts, but only when it makes sense. The goal is not to push. It is to remind. Now imagine this. A customer hires you once. They get a thank you email. Later they leave a review. Months later, they get a helpful reminder and book you again. That is a full cycle of repeat revenue. So here is the takeaway. Email is not dead. It is one of the easiest ways to generate repeat income in a service business. You just need simple timing and consistent follow-up. If you found this helpful, like the video, comment your business type, and subscribe for more practical strategies that help you make more money from the customers you already have.